First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Data Wipe page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the downloaded setup to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To delete photos permanently in PC, run the software on your PC. Choose File Shredder and click Add File or Add Folder to select the photos you want to delete permanently. After that, you will see the selected photos showing in the interface. You can select the photo added by mistake and click Delete to remove it from the list, or click Add to import more data you want to erase. After that, click Erase Now and click OK to confirm the process. Once finished, the chosen photos are permanently deleted from your PC.